What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, guys? For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I hope you had a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving Day. We're back. Time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. All right, I'm back with one of my favorite programs, one of my marketing systems I've been using for 3 years as an affiliate, the Conversion Pros, known as TCP. Okay, this system right here is a high converting funnel where you can earn residual income, and then you also earn a residual income every month, and then you also earn unlimited commissions, $25 commissions every Friday. Okay, so they've been doing this for over 7 years. What I love about this system is they have the done for you funnels. So if you're new to online marketing, you're not really a techie person, but you can copy and paste, you can work this system because they have done all the work for us. The funnels are concerned. Okay, funnels are done. For the affiliate side, we're talking affiliate, how to make unlimited $25 commissions over and over and over and over. All right, I'm going to show you the dashboard, and I'm going to show you the websites they've already created for us, guys. All we have to do is share those. Not to mention, you can get in this thing for free to test drive it. You don't have to put in a credit card, any of that. So it's a great way for you to test drive the system, see if it's a good fit for you before you even pay. Okay, 14 days. And if you decide to get started, or you can, some people get started for free in the next few days, they go ahead and upgrade. So you don't have to take the whole 14 days, but they give you 14 days. But if you decide you want to upgrade and pay the $50 a month, that's what it costs for this system, you just go into your back office, add your credit card, and you pay the $50. Okay, but what's so cool about this is you are a partner with TCP. You get paid $25, and the company gets paid $25 every time our members pay their monthly membership. Okay, when they pay their $50, you get paid $25, the company gets paid $25. All right, but check out this testimony real quick, and then we're going to take a look at those done for you funnels. All right, so check this out.
Hey there, I want to give a big shout out to the Conversion Pros. I'm a 57-year-old woman from Birmingham, Alabama, and look, if I can figure out how to work this thing, you can too. And one of the things I love about the Conversion Pros is it's really a done-for-you system. So I was nervous and everything because I'm not techie about getting in here and figuring out how to use it to help me get leads for my business, but everything was there. Capture pages are there, autoresponders are there. Leads are there. All you gotta do is click a few buttons and everything is set up for you, and so it's really helped me a ton, and I want to say thank you, Conversion Pros. Love your product.
All right, guys, so you heard that. Okay, so folks, that's not techie. You just heard it from a lady that says she's not techie. She can do it, you can do it. So let's go check out the dashboard. All right, so we log in, guys, as an affiliate, right? And you go here and it says my TCP affiliate websites. They've already created them for you. They're replicated. They have your username, whatever your username is that you created your account with, they're going to put that in the link. And these are coded to you. Okay, so all you've got to do is share these. Okay, we show you, and by signing up with me, I'm going to tell you some ways to market this so that you can get people to go to your site and they can take the free trials too. Okay, so they can see if it's something they're interested in. Now, mind you, by being a free member, you don't get paid on the free membership, only when you upgrade. So if you share your link with someone and they decide to upgrade and you have an upgrade, you won't earn a commission. So you want to make sure you go ahead and upgrade if you decide this is something you want to do. Okay, very quickly, in my opinion. Okay, but you can test drive it, get some folks to sign up. They try it as well, And if you upgrade and then share it and they upgrade, you're going to make $25 commissions. But not just that one time, right? That next Friday you're going to get paid. But guess what? When your new member pays their membership the next month, when they pay $50 again, you make 25 again. You're going to make 25 to infinity until they cancel their account. Okay? But this is residual income, guys. Okay? This is residual. You're going to earn this over and over and over again as long as they keep their memberships. So take a look here. So this is the main TCP funnel right here. As you can see, everything you need to grow a profitable business. But look at the other funnels they have. These funnels are already done for you. All you have to do is copy here and then share these with other folks, and they'll sign up, create their free account. You'll be notified. It'll say you'll receive an email from TCP saying, hey, someone just signed up as a trial member. You will also see when they upgrade. They'll send you another email and say, hey, this person upgraded to be a paid member. So you will be notified what's going on, okay? Because also TCP has an app. How about that? They have an app. Let's check this out. Okay, this is the page that I use right here. The link is in the description for this page. When you go there, you'll see, you come down right here, it says mobile CRM app. Download this on your phone, whether it's a Droid or an iPhone. Okay, you'll be notified every time someone signs up. Okay, then you can reach out to them, shoot them an email, and welcome them aboard. All right, guys, it's just that simple. See this page right here? It's a capture page. So when folks get started, they're going to put their name, the email, phone number in, and TCP is going to send them follow-up emails. The autoresponder is included in these funnels. That's already done for you. Okay, very simple, easy, newbie-friendly system. All right, a 50-50 affiliate partnership that we have here. All right, guys, so go check this out. Link is in the description if you're ready to get started. Now, you may say, hey, well, how do I get paid? Well, you get paid every Friday. Okay, I created, by the way, I call a double up funnel for this. If you're in Novatech, I have a double up funnel that you may want to check out. The link is in the description. This way, I'm using TCP to promote Novatech and TCP. Okay, so if you're in Novatech, you may want to look at this as having a funnel, okay, for it. But let's take a look. How do you get paid? Every Friday. So let's check this out here. Okay, TCP has their own debit card, guys. You can order this from the website. That's my card. You can order that from your back office, or you can just have them pay you directly straight to your bank account. It's pretty cool. Okay, now check this out. They also have banners. Okay, you go log in and you click on affiliate and you go here, affiliate banners, guys. You can post these all over the place. Check it out. You just save them to your computer. Right click, save to your computer, download them to your computer, and you can copy paste these all over social media, or you can post them on advertising websites, Craigslist, etc. Okay, see, these are nice little banners. They look like little actual image pictures, basically. Okay, so another way to promote this system with attraction marketing. That's what this is going to do. When you post these little pictures and folks see them, well, what is this all about? That's going to trigger a question, right, in their mind. You're piquing their interest. How do I get started with this? Because it says on here, most of them say, get started for free. People want to know, well, how do I get started for free? And that's when you'll send them your TCP affiliate link, okay? Now, I've showed you guys the done for you system, okay, that TCP creates. But right here is a page I've created, okay? You can get a copy of this once you become a paid member, not on the free membership, but once you actually upgrade and you're serious about getting started, I'll be happy to share my share code. Okay, if you want this page, it's a little bit more attractive, right, than the page I showed you, because it says start 100% free paid every Friday system. Okay, you see this? So let me show you the actual capture page. This is the sales page. Hang on. Okay, this is the actual sales page. Okay, where folks will enter their name and email in here, and then it will take them to that next page you just saw. So if you're interested in getting this is a customized funnel. Okay, I'll be happy to share my share code with you to get this. All right, so you can either run traffic here, guys. You can post those picture ads and drive people to these pages. And again, it's a free system to get started. If folks decide, hey, this looks like something I'm interested in doing, they'll have to upgrade. When they upgrade, that's when you'll make your $25 commissions on that Friday, the next Friday, okay? So if you're ready to start receiving $25 unlimited commissions every Friday and then every month residually, okay, month after month after month, go to the link in the description. Go get your free account. Get signed up for free. 2-week free notice. If you realize you don't need the whole 2 weeks, just go in there, add your debit card, and that way once you share, you can start earning the $25 commissions the next Friday. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.